Mayabason. Reigning no Mayabason of Bronx Kata. Wear blue armor and proceed to the inspection area now. Reigning no Mayabason of Bronx Kata. Final call for Razy John Villanueva of Iloilo. Razy John Villanueva of Iloilo. Wear red armor and proceed to the inspection area now. Last and final call for Razy John Villanueva. Razy John Villanueva, please proceed to the inspection area now. Fight number 32, Dennis De La Cruz of Antique. Dennis De La Cruz of Antique, blue armor versus Alfie Justice of Iloilo. Alfie Justice of Iloilo, red. Fight number 32, Dennis De La Cruz, Antique, blue versus Alfie Justice of Iloilo, red. Please proceed to the inspection area now.